Threads is rolling out a search update globally over the next few weeks that will let users filter searches to a specific profile and within date ranges. The existing search built into Threads has been a basic keyword search to find trending topics, posts, or accounts with top and recent sorting options. The updated version adds a settings icon to the search bar that, when tapped, brings up after date, before date, and from profile options. We've got the new filters enabled for our account already, and they seem to work as advertised. The addition brings Threads closer to parity with competing platforms X and Blue Sky, both of which support more advanced searching than this, but at least it's a start. Instagram head Adam Mosseri announced that Meta would test these filters and other improvements to Threads search tools just a few days ago, and now it's confirmed that they're rolling out to everyone. As its competitor, Blue Sky has grown amid a flight of users from X. Meta has suddenly started rolling out many long-requested updates. They include custom following feeds, adjustments to the For You feed algorithm to weight posts from accounts you follow more heavily, and a test announced by Mark Zuckerberg that gives some users the choice of defaulting to their following feed instead of an algorithmically sorted one.